is on them.
Yeah.
They're full of mud. Hey!
Hey.
So today, you know what we're gonna do? We need to mow some grass. Cause look how tall it is.
Yeah.
You wanna go mow some?
Let me
Get on the mower, you wanna mow with me? You wanna put this in your mouth like a true cowboy? Like that? You wanna go mow some grass? Let's go! Come on! We gotta get some mowing done. We got a flat tire, we gotta fix it right quick, right? Put it under there. There you go. Ready? I think we're good to go. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's get back to it. Hey, we're stuck.
Yeah.
You want to pull us out? Want to go get your tractor, your 6-wheel? Go get it, hurry.
Don't get stuck in.
Pull me out, save me.
Don't get stuck in the mud.
Go, go, go. Good job. Hey, that went through the mud pretty easy. I think you might pull me out. You ready? Let's tie it up. You ready to pull me out?
Yeah.
Well, I think we're stuck, don't you?
Yeah.
Your little tractor wouldn't pull us out. Maybe a big tractor can?
Yeah.
Look at these tires. Check them out. Look how much mud is on them.
Yeah.
They're full of mud. Look at the
What?
front tire.
Yeah.
It's stuck. You ready to go get a big tractor?
Yeah.
Let's go. Well, we're finally out of the mud, right? It took a lot of work. We used your tractor, a big tractor, but we finally got it out, right?
Yeah.
High five. So I guess we probably need to wait till it dries up a little more before we start mowing, right?
Yeah.
You ready to go get cleaned up?
Yeah.
Because I'm all muddy. Let's go.